guys, welcome back to a new video. Today we'll be learning about ordered lists. Now, ordered lists are like unordered lists as we saw in the previous video, except that each list is numbered. Now, they're useful when you're trying to list different steps in a process or rank items from first to last. You can create an ordered list using the OL tag, and then add the individual list items using the li tags. It's the same process as the UL or the unordered list, but this time you're using OL, which is an ordered list. And the output of this code, let me expand this, will look like this. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Yep, perfect. Now let's jump straight into the practice here. It says under the heading that says countries with large brown bear populations, right here, we'll put in the ordered list. Right, okay. Now add the following items to the ordered list: Russia, United States, and Canada. So we will simply set it up first, and then we're gonna go ahead and copy paste it 3 times. There you go. And then in the middle we'll put Russia. We have the United States, and then you have the Canada, and voila, there you go, right here. That's an ordered list. So that's gonna end it. It's a quick, short video, sweet, to the point, but ultimately this is how you do an ordered list in HTML. But until the next time, I'll see you guys. Have a great day.